gathered here for listening to a very young and budding artist, Sindhu Vasudevan. I thought that she was not the artist, her mother was. So I was talking to her, thinking that she is the one who is going to sing. But then when I see her sitting here, she must be really a great singer to have achieved so much in her life. She started singing at the age of 5, Carnatic music, and she has had some very great gurus. And she has taken part in many festivals in the US. She is also an accomplished Bharatanatyam dancer. Maybe next time when you come, Sindhu, we will request you to dance.
Sure.
And she is a co-founder of Sur Darbar, an NGO in Austin which promotes classical music and offers a platform for artists from India and North America. Now, what a great thing to do for a young lady like Sindhu. Please give her a big hand. And we thank you firstly for coming all the way from Austin, Texas, to enlighten us today, along with your small family, very small family. All of you have come. And I think Sindhu's grandmother is 2 years senior to me in school. She is just 2 years senior to me in school. She is 63 batch in Delhi. Madrasi school we are known as that time. But now later on they changed the name to DTEA. So we sound very polished instead of calling ourselves as Madrasi Higher Secondary School. But I joined Madrasi Higher Secondary School, so did she. We also have with us Dr. Anilakad R. Jayakrishnan. Hare Krishna, I told him. And he's from Palakkad. He's an A-grade Mridangam artist of All India Radio. Please give a big hand. And he brings up the Mridangam as a talent. He seeks students and teaches them. He is a PhD in computer science from no other than Bharatiyar University of Coimbatore, in a topic which is not related to music but cyber forensic. Wow! Now he has been playing Mridangam for over 3 decades. He doesn't look it, and has accompanied many concerts in India and abroad. And he's also performed in Akashvani of India and the Sangeeta Sammelan National Program. And he has been the lead artist in Tyagaraja Music Festival in Birmingham Balaji Temple in UK for 5 years, from 2006 to 2010, while he was working in London. And now, currently, sir, you are in US? No. Palakkad. From where to where? And we are very happy to have you here, sir. Thank you very much. And this young Tejas, Prajosh Balakrishnan's son, his name is also Tejas, and he is the student of Carnatic music since the tender age of 4. We have somebody at 4, 5, I don't know, Sindhu was 6. And Carnatic vocal, Carnatic violin, Mridangam from his beloved gurus from India. He is a disciple of Vidwan Sri Delhi P. Sundararajan. I don't know who he is, I am from Delhi. Chennai for Carnatic violin, and is performing as a solo violinist as an accompanist for several years. He doesn't look it. He has won many awards. I'm not going to go into all that. But we are very delighted to have you, Tejas sir. We are waiting to listen to this music. I'm sorry I got a bit late. I was held up in the traffic. Today one huge gas that was fallen in one of the flyovers. Yeah, only in the morning 3 a.m. A lot of traffic jam in the city. You are lucky that you are staying here. And we now leave it to you, ma'am, and to all of you to enthrall us with your music and your instruments. Thank you. Yes, ma'am, please. This is the original Sindhu artist.
Good evening, a very warm welcome to all of you. I just want to take 30 seconds and not hold you back from the music On behalf of my entire family, I just wanted to say thank you and welcome to a beautiful Margari season and concert of music. I would like to acknowledge Sindhu's gurus because she's here because of them. First and foremost, my parents, my father, Sri Varadarajan, and my mother, Geeta Varadarajan. They have been a huge, support and mentor to Sindhu all along. But Sindhu began her training under Guru Vidwan Jayashankar Balan in Michigan, and later on under Dr. Vijayalakshmi Subramaniam, who's in Chennai. She's also taking advanced training with Sri Vivek Sundar Raman in Austin, as well as Sri CM Venkatachalam. I pay obeisance to all the gurus and I'll turn it over to the artist. Thank you.
செந்தில் வாழ் முருகையா சேவல நம்பினேன் செந்தில் வாழ் முருகையா சேவல நம்பினேன் செந்தில் வாழ் முருகையா சேவல நம்பினேன் சஞ்சலம் என் சுப்பிரமணிய சுவாமி சஞ்சலம் தீர்த்தருள் என் சுப்பிரமணிய சுவாமி செந்தில் வாழ்முருகையா சேவல நம்பினே சஞ்சலம் தீர்த்தருள் என் சுப்பிரமணிய சுவாமி வந்தித்தேன் வடிவழகா வந்தித்தேன் வடிவழகா வேலாயுத கையா வந்தித்தேன் வடிவழகா வேலாயுத கையா வந்தி போதே காதேவானை மணவாழ வந்தி போதே காதேவானை மணவாழ சானிதி சமக பமதமா மாக பமதப சானிதா மக பதி சானிதி சமக பமதமா மாக பமதப சானிதா மக பதி சரி சமாக சரி சபாம சரி சதாப பரி சதா மத பமம சரி சமாக சரி சபாம சரி சதாப பரி சதா மத பமம பமக மக பமதப நிரம பம சரி ரி சரி தனி ம பப ச பமக மக பமதப நிரம பம சரி ரி சரி தனி ம பப ச சானி சமக பமரி பம சரி ரி சதா சானி சமக பம செந்தில் வாழ் முருகையா சேவல நம்பினே சஞ்சலம் தீர்த்தருள் என் சுப்பிரமணிய சுவாமி செந்தில் வாழ் முருகையா மருக முருக குஹ ஷண்முக ಶರಣು ನಗು na वृंदावन निलये वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन कृष्ण मनोहरि नंदिने गुमुख बिंबराधनि वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन कृष्ण मनोहरि नंदिने गुमुख बिंबराधनि वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन कृष्ण मनोहरि नंदिने गुमुख बिंबराधनि वृंदावन निलये शृंगार रसोला सजपुरे शृंगार रसोला सजपुरे शृंगार रसोला सजपुरे शृंगार रसोला सजपुरे श्रीरंग कृष्ण वदना कोटि सुंदर चित्रे नंद गोप कुमार चरित्रे जनित मकरंद सुगंध परिमल कुसुमाकर ललिते जनित मकरंद सुगंध परिमल कुसुमाकर ललिते वसुदेव देवकी नंद मुकुंद गोविंद कलिंग नर्तन वसुदेव देवकी नंद मुकुंद गोविंद कलिंग वसुदेव देवकी नंद मुकुंद गोविंद कलिंग नर्तन रसिके तत्वित सत्तिमि तत्तति तत्तुम सारि नम गारि सनि तक्कीट तत्तिमि 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 तत्तति तत्तुम गिणतो 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 गमरी गम सगरी गमरी सगरी गमरी नि सगरी नि सगरी ग गिण तुम गिण तुम दस गिण तुम दस गिण तुम दस गिण तुम राधे राधे कृष्ण